All right, so we're gonna go over the recap for my trade that I took. Um, what was it, Thursday? Yeah, I took this trade on Thursday, but I haven't been able to actually do my recap just because I've been pretty busy, and it's also been the weekend, so I was kind of hoping I could take some time off to kind of recoup, and shit. Yeah, last trade I took, it was an L. I lost the trade, but it's all right because I followed my rules. And as you guys know, I'm doing the 30 trade challenge currently, and this was trade 4. Yeah, this is trade 4 out of 30. As you can see, I've already done I have like a notes thing so that I can keep track of how many trades I've done. This is the challenge that I take without like breaking any rules at all. So it's a pretty good challenge. It's pretty fun. You guys should try it if you guys are not profitable yet, because you guys know that emotions get the best of you, and that's essentially what gets you as a trader, and not just it's not just like your strategy. It's more like basically your rules. You breaking your rules. Anyways, I'm just yapping too much. So yeah. Also, I was thinking making like day in the life videos. If you guys want some of those, let me know in the comments, and I can just make some day in the life. I know they're not gonna be as interesting as if I were rich, but figured you guys can join me through this journey as well. And hopefully one day we get the audience for me to be able to help and guide through this whole trading shit, even though I'm not profitable yet. But soon will be. Soon will be. Anyways, yeah, coming into market open, we were in this 4 hour fair value gap. We've been in it for the whole week, so we're not bullish. We're not bearish at all. We're always bullish. Yeah. So then, also, I'm still getting used to the Apple keyboard and shit. Apple keyboard, like it's nice. It was expensive, but it's nice. It's really lightweight, and then just the Apple Pencil thing. Apple Pencil, not Apple Pencil. Sorry, the Apple mouse. So yeah, for the 1 hour we had these highs up here. Highs up here, lows up here, and lows down here. These were London lows. If we move into the 30-minute, and then I can just put this on. As you can see, they're London lows, and then these are London highs, which the London lows were taken, but unfortunately and then also the Asia lows. So I was pretty bullish. I wanted it to come down here, sweep those, and then look for an entry into there for longs to hit these London lows and those areas of liquidity. Coming into market open, we do get this big sell-off right on market open. So then I was patient until we actually broke structure, which we did here. We broke structure here, but also we were in a 5-minute fair value gap, which we respected to the T. Actually, I'm pretty sure it was, yeah, look, like, you see what I'm saying? I still count it as an inverse because it's filled. Maybe that was my mistake, but we got the break of structure right here, so that was good, part of my strategy. We got that break of structure right there, and then yeah, this was just a losing trade. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with losing trades at all. And then because on ES, look at what had happened. We had an SMT over here at these. Right here, this one had taken these highs, and then this one hasn't taken these highs, and then this one has. So we got an SMT. So I thought NQ was a lagging index, but I don't know if I read that wrong. If I read that the opposite way, but yeah. And then from there, we move into the 1 minute time frame over here. And yeah, I was patient, and then the macro hit, and then we got that good trade over here. We got to pull back into this 1 minute fair value gap here, which I didn't wait for candle to close, which was one mistake that I did. I did not wait for candle to close. So I got in right there. I got a good fill, put my stops below this fair value gap here. And yeah, I was gonna count this one as a fair value gap, but as you can see, there's not enough room. Even though it is a small fair value gap, there wasn't enough room. We could have counted it, and yeah, because usually you want to wait until the last fair value gap to know that it's actually going to keep going higher. So if it doesn't inverse this fair value gap, it means that it's going to continue going to the way that it should be going. But here, this one got inversed immediately. So it came down to this fair value gap, and then it tapped, and then we got a big buy. So then I was like, okay, we're probably going to head higher. And yeah, we made this move, and then it came back to that fair value gap again, and then kept tapping it, right? And then when we kept tapping it, we then got stopped out here, and I saw that we were getting wicked out. So my dumbass decided to re-enter again, and since I can't calculate my my stop losses on Tradeovate, because usually you just like do this and then you sell one like right there, right? Since you can't do it there in Tradeovate, because in top six you can just move your stop loss to whatever it is that your stop loss is, right? That you want it to be for risk management. And yeah, so I lost $600, 622 to be exact. Oh no, 600 and what? 43. 643. As you can see, just 3 trades. 643 I lost on that trade, which was a mistake on my part because I risked more than I should have because I stuck to my thing. So even if I got one losing trade, I would have just stopped there. I should have stopped there. I still follow my rules, so that was good. And yeah, I re-entered off of this bounce from this fair value gap here, right here, and then just targeting these highs up here, right here. And we got immediately stopped out the candle right after. I don't know what market was doing. It was pretty, what's it called? Pretty volatile because of these moves. I don't know what had happened, but yeah, it was a 50-point candle move. So yeah, that's a trade for Thursday. Tomorrow is Monday, and I will be trading tomorrow because I have the day off. Hopefully over the week I can. Oh, no news Monday. Great. Or is it? Let me see. I don't know if it's going to be close, to be honest. Okay, no, we're good. We are good. No news Monday, though. Not expecting to see very much movement. But yeah, hopefully the upcoming days, I do work the whole week, Tuesday to Friday, which sucks, absolutely sucks. 12-hour shifts. But yeah, we'll try to see if we can trade in there. And if not, then oh well, it is what it is. I still had to put this patch up already, but it is what it is. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I am able to trade like I mentioned, and if not, then oh well. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.